Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni Bafetu, back again, back with another video. Hey, what can I say Bafetu? Orlando Pirates won the game, but, what a shit first half performance from Mabachita. But at the end of the day, 3 points is what we need. Abdeslam, your second win in a row. Siyabonga ukuthi uwinile. But let's talk about the game of it. Before I start, please guys, ngiyanicela, please subscribe to your boy umfana kamdluli Sabelo umfana kamdluli. I am Sub-Zero. Like the video, comment down below. Ningakhohlwa bafethu. It's easy. Just press the subscribe button, then we are good bafethu. You'll get the content ekanje week in and week out. I might be new in this YouTube game, but ngiyazi into engikhuluma ngayo. iDiski Orlando Pirates. So let's go into the game bafethu. We saw the lineup. I was surprised in the lineup. I was surprised to see Marikana. I was surprised to see him in Nduli in the double pivot. I was surprised to see Utito after he was substituted in the first half against Mamelodi Sundowns in the semi-final 18-8. I was surprised to see him, and I was surprised to see Umabasa. But I'm not gonna complain about the lineup. It was okay, but that first half of it was a shit performance, A-level shit performance. Wakubona why ulibeka kahle, ulibeka kamnandi, lingiphume kamnandi. Yeah, that was a shit performance of it for me Pirates. I cannot explain what was happening. I don't know what the coach was thinking, my tactics, but Orbit College played like the home team. Let's be honest, they were popping the ball around. The way Mamelodi Sundowns played, then they were like counter, trying to counter us. We saw what in the first half, they should have buried us. Orbit, oyin and prashanga matithwin. Azangi niquphe ekseni. Orbit College. You had chances, and when that first half ended, I said to myself, Orbit College are gonna ruin these chances. Because they've had chances, but they didn't take them. That's what happens to a relegation team. If you fail to take your chances, we escotini pants. And that's what happened. Escotini buffet. Orlando Pirates scored in the second half. The second half was much better. We were popping the play, smoother in forwards. A central midfield was compact, and the substitutions. I rate you for that one, Abdeslam. I rate you and I rate you. I wanna go to respectful go. Absolute. I'm gonna be respectful towards you if you are doing the right things. The substitutions, perfect. The two midfield substitutions, Umbule, Nombata. That's what we needed. The fact that there was no relay in that team, I'm happy that we won, because I was surprised by not seeing Orele in the team. But then he did another thing, take off Uhoto. When was the last time Unibono Hoto bamkhipha nge-first half of it? When was the last time you've seen that happen? Well, Abdeslam did it. He took him off, didn't come back for his second half. Undaba came in a left back. A bit shaky, but he did well, Umfana, even though he had slippery moments, like 18 area, Orbit, where he had the chances to go across. He was slipping. Not got ice skate, Umfana, but maybe nervousness. But the goal. Siema. What a goal, Bafetu. 2 million into Siema. Siema is a defender of it. He's not a striker, a midfielder. That's how you strike a ball, Tito. A lesson to be learned to Tito Masangwai. That's how you strike a ball. I learned to little things to me into Zialena who a strive. Tito, no. Work on your shooting. Tito, man of the match. Tito Bafetu, I don't wanna lie. Utito saka uSneyman for mina. Ningasambizi ngutito. Mlandeni ngoSneyman Masangwani, because ngathi uyabhema out here, ngathi ushaya izolo. How can you smoke weed I smoke weed, but wena udlala ibhola, you're in the field, professional athlete, udlala ngathi udayi baba sometimes, then they give you the man of the match. I'm sorry. The man of the match for me was CM Abafit. The fact that he scored the winning goal, the only goal, he should have been man of the match. I know he had problems move with CM, but it's a clean sheet at the end of the day. It's a clean sheet, should have given to CM, not to Tito. Tito is not my man of the match. I'm sorry. Even though he got the pre-assist, not the assist, pre-assist. The man who got the assist was Shibelewele. It's Tito who played that ball to Shibelewele. Cross, he finds Umbata in the 18 era, outside the 18 era, and he kicks the ball like he's never kicked the ball before. Goal. 1-0 Orlando Pirates. Meda she wrote. That's how it ended. The performance, I'm not happy about the performance of it. I think there's a lot of improvements that we have to do. Good international break that's coming up. I'm looking forward to seeing what Abdeslam is gonna do in that international break, because he has to work on himself first. Okay, this is my best lineup, because you cannot have a team that is big than Orlando Pirates, then you don't have your lineup, your first lineup. Abdeslam doesn't have a first lineup yake. I think he has an idea in the lineup yake, but you don't know your full first lineup. As a coach, you should know who are your starting players, then the bench players. That's how it works, Buffett. In case of my injuries, then you can change it. Suspension, you never know. Yeah, but at the end of the day, Orlando Pirates won 1-0 against Orbit College. There was no Saleng, there was no Mfukeng, no problem, Buffett too. We are out. We'll see you on another video. Hey, ningakhohlwa dlala iKaizer Chiefs neMamelodi Sundowns namhlanje. Who are you gonna support? Because let me tell you what, when it comes to your fan base, yala eMzansi niyalahisa bafethu. Banter at its best, but I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm hoping for a draw, because either one of the teams win by bayabaleka. Kaizer Chiefs win, they're on 12. Mamelodi Sundowns, they win, they're on 10. I'm looking for a draw, Bafethu. Don't forget, Bafethu, please subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below. I'm out, Bafethu.